Challenge time. Alright, Mina-san. Who said this? Was it Mume or Gooba? Da da da. Was it Mume or was it Gooba? Mume! Everybody says Mume.
Oh, was it me? I don't remember. I couldn't hear it, so I don't know.
It was
Me.
It was Mume.
Is this gonna be hard for them? Were they lying the whole time? Do we not sound like each other?
I don't know, they wouldn't lie to us like that, right? Right?
Right?
Would you lie to us about that? Alright, let's do the next sound sample. Who did this sound? Are you moving?
I can hear it. I can kind of hear it.
Sorry. Who did? Are you moving? Boy, gee, I wonder who that could have been. Gura, 100% Gura, Goomba, very good. One moon. Gura, that was so bad.
Oh?
What the? I'm doing. I mean, whoever did the sound was clearly trying their best.
They were trying so hard.
Oh, that was. Yeah, that was me. That was okay. Yeah. Okay, who's the next one? Ready? Oh hi. Oh no, that was a tricky one, right, Mume? You totally heard that. That was tricky, wasn't it? Hi. Oh hi.
I'm listening to your stream. I heard it.
Yeah. That was me. Wait a minute. What about this one? Hi. Okay, not that one. Yeah. That was me. My oh hi is not as good as Mume's oh hi. Mume.
Oh hi. Wait,
hi.
you say oh hi. Hi.
Wait, you say it first.
Oh hi.
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 Okay, wait. This is the one that I think is actually gonna get a lot of them. So, ready? Listen. Who said that?
Oh.
Whoa. They're still getting it right.
If we say the same thing back and forth enough, it'll start to get more tricky.
I think so.
Ah.
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 Ah. Mume and Gume in the same room? We are tired. We grow tired. We don't sound
alike!
Shut down!
It's time to settle this once and for all.
Prove them right.
It's up to you!
Ooh!
Ooh!
Should we do standard mode or infinite? Oh god, wait.
Okay.
Who's speaking?
Do it again.
That was me! Did you hear that?
You!
Do it again!
Do it again. 3, 2, 1.
Was that you?
No, it's you.
No, the countdown! Was that you?
No, that was... I don't know what that was!
Was that an AI? That sounded like an AI!
Let's go.
Smile. What the fuck?
I think it was me! 3, 2, 1. Was it me? Wait, we might have not been me!
Oh!
It was me! Okay.
Wait, that could have been me though, cause smile.
Smile.
Cause you said it with like a deeper
Smile.
smile.
I was more chill. Smile.
Uh-oh. I don't know.
That was 3, 2, 1.
Oh, okay. Oh!
This so a lot of people got it wrong.
Ha. Let's do the next question. Da. Oh.
Who's girl?
Oh. Wait, who's good?
First one was you. Wait, what? First one was you.
Oh,
Who's Gura?
Oh.
Me.
Yeah, this one, Gura. Okay.
Ah.
Oh.
Oh.
Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh. Hi.
Oh, hi.
Ah.
What's happening? Why have you dragged me into this call? Explain yourselves. I thought you were supposed to be mimicking each other, not me.
Oh, hi.
Domo, same desu.
Ah. Oh, hi. Who?
Who? Who? Is it a game? That was Gura first and then Mume.
Who?
Gura.
Who?
Gura. Gura? Gura.
No. I'm Mume.
You're Gura.
I'm Gura.
You're Mume. You're Mume. You know, if you only say things that the other person says, I feel like it's obvious that you're trying to be them. It's pretty good, Mume.
Okay.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh. Wait, you're Fauna. I understand now. You're Fauna.
Ooh.
It's Fauna.
Fauna. Fauna.
Yes?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Oh man.